Welcome to Space Update for February 16th, 2022. The big news this month is the continuing story of the development of the James Webb Space Telescope. After arriving at L1 in January, the painstaking job of aligning its 18 mirror segments has begun. A star near the bowl of the Big Dipper is being used to provide the light to begin the alignment operation. One at a time, as the light from each segment is identified, it will be brought to the center of the image with greater and greater precision. This will continue until all 18 mirror segments are working together, acting optically like one solid mirror. It sounds simple, but the precision needed is mind-boggling. Positioning needs to be accurate to a fraction of a wavelength of light. While the alignment process is underway, the telescope and its instruments are still cooling to an eventual working temperature of just minus 233 degrees Celsius. If everything continues to go well, the first real science images are expected sometime in June of this year. On the spaceflight front, NASA's long-awaited maiden flight of the SLS has been delayed yet again, with a new expected launch date of no earlier than April 2022. Speaking of delays, SpaceX, who recently stacked the largest rocket in the world, is biding its time for the first orbital attempt while the FAA finishes up its environmental assessment of the Boca Chica, Texas launch site. The assessment, that was originally expected to be wrapped up by the end of 2021, will now be finished on March 28, 2022. Launching Starship from the South Texas site totally depends on the FAA assessment. If it is not granted, Elon Musk announced that launch operations will be moved to Kennedy Space Center, where site development is already underway. If that happens, then the full-up launch of the world's largest and most powerful rocket won't happen until sometimes in 2023. Stay tuned.